Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab Active 3 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now let's tap on Software Information and Localize Build Number. Let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial which I've just recorded, where I explain more information about this section. So after activating the developer options, we have to come back to this left section and scroll down again, because the developer options will appear under the About Tablet. Now let's localize the option Auto Update System and tap on the switcher. From now on, this option is active, which simply means that your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to actually download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.